last 8 days, and today is the ninth day. And today I came across something very, very interesting, and it is about how to how to achieve your God state. What do you do when you are stuck? Even if you do everything, you are a high performer and you are not getting recognized for your contributions. What is the immediate thing that you do? Everybody says focus on your work, find your significance. That is what I have been doing. I have been telling you, do what you love. That is the key thing. That whatever you love uh, goes to give you significance ultimately, because that is where you can invest your time endlessly. But in between, there will be time when you will get to this depression kind of thing, because when in difficult time, even if you do everything right for yourself according to the prescription that is given to you, things will not go right as per you. Have you seen that you are trying to fit in somewhere? Do you observe that? And that is for sure is the reason why you get frustrated. You, me, everybody. So lately I have been thinking about the same thing. What is that which the other person is very insecure about, and which is my gain? And how can I uh, get the most out of whatever is happening? The best thing is uh, trust, it on, trust me on that. The best thing is to recognize and acknowledge that your calling is very high, which is why the present is that tough. You are not convinced about small things. If you are not convinced yourself about smaller things, how can you convince anybody else? Because that is what not the force with which you are working. What is the force you are working, and you can't believe that you are working for that force is your higher calling. And it cannot be ordinary if your life is consistently hard. That is the new revelation that came to me today as I was watching Mel Robbins uh, saying that somebody told her the same thing. And is it not a miracle that I happened to watch that reel of hers today only when I was looking for answer to that question. Why everybody is succeeding? Are they teaching something great? And the things that I want to teach you or I want to tell you are just part of me, and I think everybody knows it. Although when I speak, I see there's a lot of inconsistency, but you know, it is their life, and I am not in a mission to change everybody or rectify their life system, because it is their own journey and they will be doing whatever they wish. So, this is the short message that I have for you today, that because your calling is much higher, that is why your life is much harder. But there are three things with which you can acquire that heart brain coherence, with which you can manifest very powerfully. And it is a single neuron network which can be developed. And how can you develop it? Is with your focus and your breathing and your feeling. None of it requires higher education or skill development, nothing, but of course, the focus part is where it needs to be a combination of several things which will lead to focus. Maybe that is the hardest part for a mid senior who is stuck right now, and the mind is, even though his situation is stuck, his mind is not stuck. It is wandering all over the place. Because the mind is wandering all over the place, mind is stuck. You agree with me on that? So observe only few things. And the treatment that I have found out is the CCG treatment with FBF uh, elements in it. And how do you do that? Is something is very simple. Just write down your dream in 50 sentences in which you will feel and sense, see, hear with all your senses. You will hear all these things about your dream. It is that simple. And the other thing that I came to know is we never overthink about our positive things. We only overthink about the negative things. Have you observed that? So, this treatment calls for overthinking about your dreams, even though you are you are called as a daydreamer or something. Your daydreams will not hurt you as much as the opinion of others. Daydreaming, do daydreaming and balance it with action. Unless your action is supplementing your daydreaming, your life, your evening will be full of emptiness, vacuum. So do whatever you can do to your best possible capability and leave everything else, because the things that you are dreaming are possible and are there in some reality which we are right now not able to see. It doesn't matter. Just keep on doing whatever you love doing and you are doing. So thank you for watching this video today. It's a short thing and I hope there will be a lot for you to uh, give yourself exercise and you will be happy to at least do it for one day, for 2 days. And if you don't, you are not able to continue it for 2 3 days or say persist even after that, then you can just come to me and we can discuss. So this is the rough work, rough paper which I have made into a notebook. And I don't ceremoniously write down things, although I could have. But it occurs to me at any time, and I feel like writing it down. So I have chosen this notebook. It is not the only notebook at this moment which I am using. There are multiple notebooks, but they are not ceremoniously written. If you think about writing ceremoniously, then you have to have a lot of discipline in your life, which is, for me, it is not possible right now because I have to engage in several things, including a full-time job. So discipline of that kind is not possible. So whenever it comes, whenever the thought comes, the emotions come, I grab and write something down. Thank you for watching and hoping to speak to you very shortly.